Hello friends, welcome to tutorial. It's a free tutorial channel. Here you can learn various software indicators so that you can be an expert of your own. So just keep with us, keep learning. You can also subscribe to our channel and get all the notifications of all our new uploads so that you don't miss a single class and get it all your own. So here we go for the first video of our Excel tutorials, and here we will make a spreadsheet using some basic features, and we will learn the more and more as we will progress in the future videos. So first we will learn to how to make a spreadsheet on your own, and it will be about using some basic features of the Excel. So let's start it. So first of all, you need to create select the cell to type anything. So this is the way you can select by clicking, and you can use the tab key for the next, or enter for the below one, or then you can also select the arrows to select your cells. So here you have to select the first cell. So you have a title. You need to have a title about your spreadsheet. So here we go, ABC publishers best bestseller. So we have our title. It's the ABC published bestseller. It seems to be a book company. So let's have some kind of categories of the books. So first we will like to have some novel. Here we have novel. Then we're gonna have some stories. We're gonna have some storybook. We're gonna have some comic books for the kids too. So okay, let's manage with this. On we're gonna create a small spreadsheet first to show you some basic features, as three will be there. So now we have to see the best sellers. So it must be around some months or time or period. So we're gonna create the months, January. So now, so as I have typed here January, we have to go for the February and March and April. So we will take the three, but the fact is, how can we do this? We can already type it as we like, as we did in January. We can type it if we like. So but you will have others. So how many types? So I will type. Well, I have some auto features to do for me. Just Excel has. Just like drag it. Just look at the cursor. Actually, change of cursor is the normal cursor in Excel. But when you select first select and highlight, here you highlighted a cell, and now you can go for drag it. Which way you will drag, it will go show the automatically for you, and it will Excel will do for it. If you go in this way, it will do for this way. So whichever you like, and I gonna like for this way. So it's automatic features. So it looks January, February, March. Excuse me. So now I have some numbers out there. So actually, I will show you how to calculate it using the basic features of such a way of Excels. Okay, so we have some numbers entry here. So now I have to need a new row for is total. Here we have total. So let's go. Now here I have to count the totals. So now for January, I have three entries here to add. So it can be very easily I can do. I even not need a calculator. But if it's a thousands of entries there, how can I add this way? So that will be a haphazard and very tough task to just calculate all the way. So you don't need to do that. You just select the cell. Here you have selected the cell. Now go for auto sum. Here it is. Look at that. Here it is, the auto sum option. Go and click auto sum. Double click. You will have it. Just double click the auto sum, and you have the total. How it is? You can see here it is the formula. In the formula bar, actually X just for you, so you can do it. Here is the formula bar, and you can see the formula that used to calculate the sum. You don't need to calculate the sum in this way. You just need, as usual, you can do it. So that's what we're gonna do, and that's what we did. Actually, just select one cell. However, you select one cell and just go for the auto sum. Double click, and it will done. But now, as we have one, we don't need to go for more for auto sum anymore. What should we do? Now, one we do. Now here goes for the arrow, drag, and here you have. we have all the trees completed for us. So Excel have done this auto feature. Many more features are there actually in Excel, and you will have this in the future videos, so don't worry. Now I also need another more. Total is gonna be actually first one was the all the categories in January. Now I have the novel on 3 categories, story on 3 months, and comic on the 3 months. So how gonna be the totals are there? So just as we say, you're gonna select one, go for the auto sum, double click, here we have, and now drag it till to the end. So here we have the grand total also. So everything being ready and our entry is being complete. So the spreadsheet is complete, but it's not the complete spreadsheet actually looking in the professional look. It looks like some school's project. So first of all, I have to format the text. Here is the text. So what is ABC Publishers bestseller? That is the title. So I need to put it into the center. It's that one end, one corner. It's not looking very good. So select the whole all the cells. You can apply for it. You can apply this A to E. So all the cells have been selected. Now go for this option. Look at that. Make sure you are in the home tab. Now here it is, merge and center. You can merge and center to put it. Here it is, merge and center, and look at that. Your text just come in the middle of the table. So here it is done. Now you can get some colors actually you add, and that will be looking better. Deselect. To deselect that, you have to select first, and now just select, click anywhere else or escape. It will be deselect you, or escape somewhere will deselect you. So now here we have some options, and here what you need to select the text. Here we have the text on the formula bars. Each and every one of cells you have been selected, and you will have the whether it is used some formulas or it is a direct entry, you will have there in the formula bar. So here it is the formula bar. So now here we have and the text. I'm selecting the text. Now make it bold. It's looking good. Now that's okay for me, and just select, so it's okay. Now we have I decide to all the text to here make some bold. Here they are, now they are all bold of the text. So now I think there's some colors could be added. So select the cell. Now you have two options, text color and bucket color. Bucket for the fill color. As usual, you can use both the way. So for the bucket one, it is the fill color option. As you can see it is the fill color, and it is the text color, that is for A. There's A symbol is looking for the text color. So whatever you want to change, if you want to change the text color, look at the text. You have the instant preview. They are available for you in Excel, so you can, if you need, you can use them, any one of them. Instant preview is there, but I don't need them, so I can't take it. Okay, but for the fill color, yes, I am looking some fill color, different fill colors actually. Let's take this one. As you need, you could choose your own. So here it is, fill color. Here I would like to have some fill color also, and same one. There's the fill colors. Now select all those and make the colors whatsoever you wish. You could get it. I have it. Now this one is extreme colored. So now I need not color to be here, I need this colored it. So select the cell, go for the fill color, and just no fill, and it's colorless. If you can go for white, it will show white, but then it is a color. You know that's white is a color. If you don't need any color, just go for no fill, and that will means no color will be there. White means it is a white. Now if you have something black on sheets to be printed on, you will have the white color, but if no color means no color, color will be absent there. So better to go for no color. Now for the grand total, I would like some different color. Okay, this one. So here I have some colors, but still there some problem. Actually now in Excel you have the grids, you can see there around the Y. Look at the grids, but when you have some prints, you won't have any grid out there. When you will have the print, you will have no grid out there. You will show that some entries are there in the plain sheet. So while you're looking for some grids, you have to put some borders out there. So first select the cells. These are the cells you are selecting to use the border. So select them and then go for the border. Here it is the option. Look at that. First make sure that you are in the home tab. Then go for the border. Here it is the border just left of the bucket color, that is fill color. And now here goes for the drop down menu. All the borders option are there, how long, whatever you are looking for you have there. So just select whichever you like. It goes for the all border. Now if I print now, it will be appear as it is. As you can see here, it will be appear as it is in the printout. So as I have, it is been complete. But now here friends, let me say something. This numbers of the January, February or March, whatever is the novel or tale or story or comics as suggest, what are they? Are they euros? Are they dollars? Are they something else? There's no currency being actually shown. So if you need some currency out there, you have to put there. But how? Every time you have to put there by printed, just typing there dollar sign or so on. So if in a normal keyboard you don't have a euro sign, it's a pound sign, then what will we do? So nothing being worry. Just select the cells. All the cells being selected is digit cells. Those are the entries. Now I need a dollar sign for them or whatever sign you like. Now here it is the actually default dollar sign in my system. You can change it as you want. Actually it's my way. So dollar sign, here it is. Look at that, accounting, and below there is the dollar sign. Here you can use the dollar as a currency symbol. Here is the drop down menu. You can go for the drop down menu and you have everything English. Is the English UK, is the Euro, is the Chinese dollar, is the French, and more accounting formats has been there. And now here goes, and here is the symbols. Go for the symbol, and now here you have all the symbols of all the world you have been there if you need. So, and there is the category. I am looking for the accounting. If you need the currency, it's been currency. If you need number, if you need general, if you need date, time, percentage, fraction, scientific, text, special, custom. So everything being available there. So you can use them, and I will show you how to use them particularly in our future videos. So for now I am letting it with the dollars. You can choose your own, but look at that, here I have been some change there. Actually you can see here it is that the two decimals being appeared. There was no decimal earlier, but now as I add the dollars in the currency, you have two decimals there automatically added by Excel. So I need to delete them. If you need keep them or delete them. So here you have the options in the accounting bar, in the home tab, in the accounting bar. Now you have to increase and decrease both the options, the increase decimal and decrease decimal. By one click you will increase one decimal, or by click once you will decrease the one decimal. So you have both the different options there, increase and decrease. So whatever you like, you can go for. I am decreasing now both the options, so both the decimals are gone, and now they are out there as it is. It's the final one. So using the basic features, you can make such way of your spreadsheet, but one more thing will be added there to make it more professional. That's a chart. You can use some charts out there for the presentation, so that could be make it more cool and more professional look. So just put a chart there out. You can put any chart out there. Different charts are there: pie, bar, column, graph, lines, whatsoever you are liking for. But first of all, just go for the insert. Here it is, insert, home, insert. You are in the insert in the ribbon. Now insert bar, now select those whatever you need at your legends. So you have to select them as your legends. So you have to select all them. Here they are selected as legends. Now entries have been selected. Now what you need to go for the chart. Here's the bar chart, area, scatter, other, pie, line, column, whatever you like. I'm going for column. Here is the drop down menu, and now you have more options there: 2D column, 3D column, cylinder, cone, pyramid, and all other chart types too. So whatever you like, you can go for. I am going for some cylinder. So first select them, all the way selected them, and first you have to select all the entries there as your legends. Those you want to be put on the legends. I am not going to put the totals on the legends, so I will let them go and accept the totals. I will selected all novel, story, comics, all the entries of those legends, and the January, February, March have been selected. And now go for the insert menu, column, cylinder, and here it is. So you have to go for the insert. Now you will have home, insert. Look at that, here I change the options. The home tab, it is now insert tab. Here the ribbon at the top of the ribbon, now insert, and here you will have all the options there: column, line, pie, bar, area, other charts. So all the charts are available for you. It's up to you which one you have to take. Now I am going for the column one. Now here is the drop down menu. Everyone is the drop down menu. Now go for the drop down. Here you have 2D column, 3D column, cylinder, cone, pyramid. I have chosen cylinder one just as usual. I show you. So just take a cylinder column or whatever column you actually want, or whatever graph you want, and that's done. So now you have it. So I will make it a little smaller. Now you can drag it down, drag it aside as you I have to just click it, and you can drag it anywhere you can, but don't click on the legends. So and now you can smaller it, make it small, make it a little small. Okay, here it is. And now you can push it wherever you need it. Just I put it here. So I can see both of them together, actually the entries, tables, and this one too, so that I can make both them actually available for me at a time, so that I can manage them. Okay, there it is. Now you can see there it's the January, February, March, the dollar there. What the dollars is, the legends are, a novel, story, comics being selected, and now you can see a perfectly representation of a presentation or whatsoever spreadsheet is you are looking for. But few more things I can show you in the here in the first video. So just like that's in Excel you have some automated features and you have some special options there, just like to suppose you have made some mistakes out there in your entries, just like in January the novels wouldn't be 150, it's gonna be something like 350. So you have made the mistake. So if one mistake being there, all that sheet will be being mistaken. So as the total will be changed as a result, if novel being changed, then total will be changed. In January the total will be changed in total of the novels, so grand total will be changed, and so also the chart. So how to be deal with that? So that will be a huge one. So if you need to be that values change, you need to first select it, and now you have to write it. So you can select it by double click, you can, or you can select it on the formula bar, or you can just select it and F2 on your keyboard. You have the F2 key, just press F2 and now it's being selected. Now you can write down here, just use the normal backspace or backspace delete, and now you can put your new entries 325. I think that would be a new number. So now until I press the enter key, you can say any change has been taken place. So until I press the enter, no change will be taken place. So just take a look there, just have a look on the, keep an eye there on the total, here on the total, grand total, and what it is, novel. So novel is the blue one, so blue cylinder of January, look at that, it will be changed. Just keep an eye that everything will be changed. Look at that, everything have been changed as I pushed it. It's all the legends have been changed and everything have been changed just because I push it, and I just change it one, and I can change it from one angle, just one point I have been changed it, and everything been changed. You don't need to be changed all the way, you don't need to change, you have to keep one just one, and it will be enough. And that is what Excel just did for you. Actually you don't need to everywhere go through and you need to make that. You just need to the basic features, and on the basic way you can do this easily. So make your own spreadsheets with the basic features, and we'll have some more things in the next videos to learn more automated features and special options and special features of Excel in the next. So till then, try your own. Thank you.